Settling down, my text go and you scream, you know better than that. I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming on and tempt me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. Start calling.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today's video is how to download YouTube videos in your computer, in your laptop, anything. So first we just want to go search in how to download YouTube videos in laptop, then scroll down and you will see here Computer Hope over here. So just click here and then go to YouTube and search in any video that you like. How about Havana? No, New Rules over here. And sorry for any background noises. The fan is so loud. So we have this over here. All you gotta do is copy and paste the URL, which is over here. Or you can just right click in the video and copy video URL. Then over here, you just want to scroll down and just go over here and Ctrl+V or Control+V. Now click in download video and you will have it over here. So let's just wait for it. So here we have New Rules or whatever video you want to download. So it's HD MP3, so let's just click in download. And then it will pop up over here. Let's just wait for it to download. So we now have this. So you just show in folder. So you have this over here. Okay, where is it? Okay, it's over here. Now just double click and it will load. Just lower the whole. Okay, so now we have it. See? It's HD. So, thanks guys for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day and just subscribe or like.